guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Aaliyah, and today I'm going to be doing this look. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look, and yeah, I don't really know where I'm gonna go with this, but I already prepped my eyebrows and did my eyelids. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be picking up this purple shade, pack that right in my crease. Alright, y'all. So now that I'm done packing that in, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly blend that out. I'm going to be doing is going back into the James Charles palette, and we're going to pick up like this really neon pink. Look at that, so pigmented. So I'm just going to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of the pink. So now that I'm done packing that in, I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna grab that shade again, tap off the excess, and again, just going to diffuse that pink. Alright, y'all, I want the purple to pop a little more, so I'm gonna go back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to dip in between these two shades. So now that I blended that purple and pink together, what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna go in with this really pretty baby pink. I'm going to blend that on top of my brow bone. Going with my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm gonna pick up like this salmon pink. I'm just going to blend it right where we laid that baby pink. So guys, I seen this idea where the girl did like a heart. I'm gonna attempt to do that. I hope I don't mess up. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do like a harp shape. So the technique that I'm doing is I am drawing in the middle, but what I'm doing is I'm stamping it. You see how it's the same shape as this flat brush. So I'm just stamping it, right? And then after I stamp it, I'm just going to fill it. So like that. Oh my god. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, let me not blink too much, girl, because I need this to dry. I'm gonna go in with like this orangey, like pinky shade. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll probably mix it with this shade too. So I'm gonna mix these two just cause I'm indecisive, and I'm just going to pack it with color. Oh my god, so guys, so the time that I've been kind of like MIA, I got a new palette and I didn't do a review for it, so I'm gonna do it now. It's called the Luster palette. Ooh, hello packaging. Yep, it's called the Luster palette, and this is by Creative Souls, and look at these colors, y'all. So pretty. They're really pretty. So I don't know, I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of want to go in, but I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. I think I should keep it like this, honestly. Decisions. So I think the smartest thing to do is do the glitter glue. So I'm gonna do probably like this much glitter glue. I've only played with glitter glue like a few times, so I think the look that I'm trying to go for is I'm gonna go with this rose gold right here, and I'm gonna try to attempt to mix it a little bit. I made like a paste. I don't know if you guys can see that. I made like a paste, so hopefully I can outline it.
30 hertz straight up.
All right, yeah, we're gonna go with dramatic. Well, not too dramatic, but dramatic enough to be like, bam, in your face.
30 hertz straight up.
I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.